This video is a part of the Risk Management series and has been organized to assist members with understanding embezzlement, preventative procedures, and consequences of embezzling. Embezzlement is the theft or misappropriation of funds placed in one's trust, and it is a criminal act. Embezzlement can occur regardless of whether the person retains the money as personal property or transfers it to a third party. It is not limited to just money. It can be property that an individual is entrusted with, and there is no minimum quantity. Even taking a few dollars from a fundraising event or your employer's account can be considered embezzling. In order to prevent embezzling in your chapter, there are a few internal loss controls you can implement. Set up your chapter's checking account to not allow transfers to outside accounts. Require multiple signatories on checks, as well as have multiple accesses to the chapter account. Issues typically arise when chapters do not have a checks and balances system when it comes to their money and only one person has access. If your chapter uses a chapter debit card, review the fraternity's debit card best practices available on the website. If you can, set up your account that prohibits debit card and ATM withdrawals. Also, be sure that multiple individuals regularly review your account and the chapter has a third-party audit conducted annually. It is also recommended that chapters do not collect money utilizing money-sharing services such as Venmo, PayPal, or Stripe, as these services must be connected to a bank account, and that account is often a personal account, which can cause a higher risk of embezzlement. Embezzlement is a crime and can result in disciplinary action from the fraternity, your university, and law enforcement. When a claim is made, the fraternity will request documentation and contact the accused for more information. Depending on the case, it can lead to suspension and/or expulsion from the fraternity. The fraternity will also advise the chapter to contact the university and local law enforcement. University consequences could include suspension or even withholding a diploma if they were near graduation. If convicted by the law, the defendant will likely be required to repay the amount that was embezzled, whether or not they still have the property. In addition to restitution or repayment, a judge may order further penalties, such as jail time, fines, or community service. For any additional questions, please visit the website or contact your chapter educational resource coordinator at the Heritage Center. For assistance in determining the coordinator for your region, please visit aksi.org/staff. Thank you for listening to this program. If you have ideas for future webinar or e-learning topics, or suggestions to improve this program, please email education@aksi.org.